Headlights installed today, and when I first got the car out at night, I'm gonna turn the brights off. I mean, the lights are pointing there, and like the road's way up there, like that's horizon. And so when I flick the brights, I mean, they go up just a little bit more. If I was going 70 miles down the highway and that's it, then that's not gonna be helpful. You can kind of see it in the video. The headlight's just bouncing up and down. And we're in calibration. Will you exit out of that for me? Alright, try it again. And like nothing. Oh. Headlights just turned off, but I think it's because I'm out of the car. Can you go into the settings, close that out, and then go to lights, and then on. There you go, and then go back to calibration. Okay, and it's just stuck in this calibration loading window. We sat here for about 20 minutes trying to get it to go, and I'm trying to go to work. So like the headlight's shaking, it won't go. And come over here and you can hear that noise. It's the headlight making that noise. This one also sounds to be doing something like that as well.